Hi everybody, and welcome to First Time for Everything. We've had our travel trailer in storage for the last 3 or 4 months, and it's been winterized, and it's getting to be springtime, so it's time to de-winterize it. And I've never done that before, so let's see how it goes. So the first thing you're going to want to do is find the water heater access panel on the outside of your trailer and open that up and locate the water heater element. And you need to put some new plumber's tape around the threads. Take the old stuff off and replace that, and then we'll put the element back in. Okay, I've put some new tape on it, so now I'm going to put the element back in. It's a little hard to get it to thread right off the bat, but put it in there and kind of twist it around until you feel it get started. Once it's started, you're going to want to tighten it up with a 1 1/16 inch socket. Alright, I've got it in there. I've got it hand tightened. Now I'm going to use the 1 1/16 inch socket, and you want to tighten that up. Not super tight, you don't want to strip the thread, but just so that it's in there pretty snug and so that it doesn't leak. So the next thing you need to do is to open up your freshwater tank and fill it about 1/3 of the way full with fresh water. Next thing you want to do is make sure that your valves for your water suction hose are turned off so that the water pulls from your fresh water tank and not from the suction hose. So this one needs to be turned that way, and this one back here needs to be turned. So they should both be in the horizontal position. Once you've turned the valves on for the freshwater tank, you can put the suction hose back underneath the bathroom sink and replace the access door and the 4 screws underneath the sink. Next thing you're going to want to do is to turn on your water pump. Once the water pump has pressurized your water system, you need to turn on all of your faucets one at a time and get all of the antifreeze out of each line. hook up your outdoor spray nozzle and squirt that until the water runs clear. Next step is to locate your hot water heater and find the bypass valves, which in this trailer is located under one of the dinette seats. And we need to turn those so that the water can go into the water heater. And we'll let that fill up. That should take a couple minutes. And turn on your hot water on the sink, and that should let the air drain out of the hot water line. Replace the cover over the water heater and replace the cushions. And in the bathroom, replace the access panel underneath the sink. And that should be it. So once all the water is running clear out of all the lines and the air has been bled out of the hot water line, you're done with your de-winterization. So I hope this has been helpful to you. Be sure to like and subscribe and click the little bell icon underneath this video and you'll get notified of any new videos. So that's all for now. Bye.